Hi, I'm Josh Michael, and welcome to Chef's Kitchen. I'm here with Ingles Market's head chef, Chef Lou, and today I smell onion. What are we making, Chef Lou?
Josh, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, the most delicious French onion soup.
The easiest, the most delicious French onion soup. All right, how do we get started here?
Okay, what we want to do is we want to get started with onions, of course, because that's the prime component of French onion soup. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 onion per person per serving, okay? All I want to do is take the onions. As you see, I cut the top off. I'm going to take the peel off, and then what we're going to do is we're going to thinly slice those onions. Okay. Pretty easy. All right, and all I'm going to do is just slice them in half moons. See that, Josh?
Yeah, and look how good it looks.
Isn't that pretty?
You guys do a good job on that.
Okay, half moons, all right?
All right.
So next thing we want to do is we want to take 1 stick of butter, and we want to melt it in a nice little saute pan, I think, that'll hold our liquid as well, too. Okay, and here we already have some started, right? Yeah, this is what we got going on. The most important part of this soup, Josh, is you really want to cook those onions down. Okay. So we had these onions started probably about 15 minutes ago. I turned them on, and I just let them slowly cook down. And as you see, they're turning into a beautiful caramelized color.
They smell amazing. They look
smell
good.
All the sugars are coming out. They're browning really nice. Okay. So at this point, what we want to do is we want to add 2 tablespoons of cream sherry. All right. All right. And as you see, Josh, see how it's bubbling up? Oh, yeah, that's fast. And it's starting to get thick. So we want to go ahead and stir it up. We want to cook that sherry out of there.
Oh, that smells good.
Doesn't that smell good? Next thing we're going to do is I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of thyme. And you see how I'm crushing it through my fingers? Yep. Okay, just like that. Pretty easy.
It's looking good.
And then a little bit of pepper.
Cracked pepper.
Yeah, fresh cracked black pepper. There you go, just a few good twists. Now, I don't salt it at this point, and it just depends on how your beef broth tastes. Okay. I wouldn't suggest using beef bouillon, but I would suggest using a nice beef stock. So we want to add 3 cups.
All right, so that's 1 1/2. Let's do 1 more. Now, talk about how you're going to plate this and get this ready.
Okay, we're going to assemble it just like this. As soon as this comes up, I'm going to go ahead and put it into my cups. But I want my French onion soup to cool, and this is why. Once it cools, we want to put a nice little crouton right on top, and then our cheese. And if we do it when it's hot, our cheese is going to just sink right down to the bottom. So we have our croutons, and then I'm going to top it with just a nice amount of cheese, and then we want to broil it in our oven.
So that's the real key, is let it cool, and then put it in the boiler, and that's how you get that awesome crust on the top like you get at a restaurant. Okay.
Yes, and then, Josh, once it's done, comes out of the broiler, it looks just like that.
That is absolutely amazing. Chef Lou, thank you. This is an awesome recipe. Guys, you can find this and more online at thechefskitchen.com. And remember, if I can do this, anyone can, so try it out. From our kitchen to yours.
Enjoy.